In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Jotform thank you page. By the end, you'll have a clear, polished confirmation message ready to show after someone submits your form. Start by opening jotform.com. Once your dashboard loads, you'll see a sidebar on the left. Click all to view every form in your account in one place. This is the quickest way to locate the form you want to update, especially if you manage several. Find the form you want to work on, then click Edit Form. This opens the form builder where all your design and behavior settings live. Take a quick moment to confirm you're editing the correct form by checking the form title at the top. Next, look toward the top of the builder and click Settings. This tab controls what happens behind the scenes, things like emails, conditions, and the confirmation experience. In the settings area, you'll see a menu on the left. Click Thank You page. This is where you decide what people see right after they hit submit. Now, enable show a thank you page after submission. Turning this on ensures that your respondents land on a clear confirmation screen instead of wondering whether their submission went through. It's a simple switch, but it makes a big difference for user confidence. With that enabled, type your thank you page message. Keep it friendly, short, and helpful. A strong structure is a clear headline, a confirmation sentence, and one or two next steps. For example, start with a warm thank you for your submission, then let them know what happens next, like we'll review your information and follow up soon, or your booking details have been received. If there's a typical timeline, mention it so expectations are set. You can also reinforce trust by acknowledging what they submitted in general terms, like we've received your request or your registration is confirmed. If your form is used for support, consider adding a brief note on response times. As you type, aim for scannable, plain language. Keep it concise to reduce friction. If you work with different audiences, choose wording that matches your brand voice, professional, casual, or anywhere in between. Jotform saves changes automatically, so there's no separate save button to press. That's it. You went to Jotform, opened all, edited your form, jumped into settings, selected thank you page, enabled the confirmation view, and wrote a clear message. When someone submits your form, they'll now see a reassuring professional thank you page right away.